What's up guys, in today's video I'll be trying to see if I can flip my small Forex account into a very big number in the market by holding some swing trades in the market. So this week I had to kind of look for some swing opportunities in the market, and I had to just set my mind up in such a way that I will have to wait for this swing trade to come to pass, because I trust myself on this and I believe that this market is gonna hit that point whereby I'm expecting the market to hit it. So I'm just waiting for the market to kind of get to that level, and from that level we start making crazy figures on the market, because this is a good swing trade and we will keep holding this trade till that trade hits our take profit or stop loss. So two things must happen in this market. Whatever happens, that's the result of this market. So let's dive into the chart. Let me show you on how I analyze this market and how I'm also gonna wait for this market to get to that point where I'm expecting it to get to, guys. So let's go. So this is gonna be a swing trade for me, and this is what led to this swing trade. So look at it on the daily time frame. So look at this point whereby the market got retested. That's a major point in the market. At this point also, there's an hidden order block around this place, and the market just came very close to that place and retested that place again with the pin bar, and the market started pushing to the upside again. And looking at the overall trend of this market, this is a very good uptrend. So I want to take my entries around this place. I want the market to get back to this my line, this 223205.77. so I'm expecting the market to get back to that place. Then from there we're gonna get our entries in the market and we're gonna make massive money in the market. Just like the way we used to do, we have to drag it from the higher time frame back to the lower time frame in order to make sure that what we're doing in the market is actually accurate. So this is what's gonna happen on the H4 time frame right now. You can see that there's a point in this market where the market came and retested, and we got another market that came to that place and still broke it. That's to tell you that this movement is still valid in the market, because we had a new higher high in this place, and this high has to come and break the last lower high. So this market just had to come back and break this lower high, and from this lower high we have a new place whereby the market have retested already, and from this new place where the market have retested, we're expecting the market to keep pushing to the upside. So look at the H1 time frame right now. You can see that this market is showing us signs that it's going to push to the upside really, but we want the market to just come back to this place and get a retest. So if we are to kind of drag this from the higher time frames, we will still be using this part as our entry point, which is this place below the body of the candle. But once we go back to our 15-minute time frame, you'll see that this is the right part to put it. So this is the right part to place this entry around. So we're going to place our entry around this place. This is where we're expecting the market to get back to. Then from this place, we'll be taking the market to this other point on the daily time frame. Look at this other point, this red line on the top side, this 269706.08. So that's where we're expecting the market to break the last higher high, and from there we'll still get another retest to the downside before the continual patterns continues in the market. So we are rooting for this, and we are waiting for the market to get to that point. And by waiting for this now, we are ready to take our entries on our 15-minute time frame. And on this 15-minute time frame, if the market just get back to this point, we get into our trade ASAP. Sometimes we can just take our entries around this place, but this is somehow risky due to the account size we are trading right now. So I'm kind of expecting the market to get back to this place, but if the market doesn't get back to this place, then I'll have to learn something new in my next trade, because this point is also another good point whereby entries can be taken around this place. I have to try and see if we can use the best possible place ever in this market and get our own entry. So let's see what's going to happen on this trade. Let's see what the market is going to do, if the market is going to get back to this place, or if the market is going to keep pushing from here. But if the market eventually gets back to this place, we're going to place 3 positions on this place. And looking at this now, let's use our order tool. I think at this point I would love to make my screen vertical. So looking at this point right now, see what's going to happen in the market. Let's get back to the daily time frame. So look at the daily time frame right now, and this is the tool we use whenever we want to place buy limits in the market, which we are not going to use, but we are going to just place our order manually without any buy limit. So we're going to place on this now. Our stop loss should be around this place, which is how much? -$5. And our take profit should be around this place, which is how much? This is $223. Okay, let me just drag it a little bit again. Alright, so that's about $223 on the market already. So if the market gets to hit this point in the market, you're gonna make at least $600 and something from this trade only. So this is what we're gonna do in this trade. We're gonna swing it and make sure we see if we can get that money from the market. As far as we know what we are doing in the market, we will actually get this from the market. So let's just see what's gonna happen at the end. Let's see if the market is gonna drop back to this place. Then from this place, we'll enter our trade and see what's gonna happen, guys. This is a very good swing trade, and let's see what's gonna happen at the end of this swing trade. Let's see if the market is gonna smash our stop loss or smash our take profit. Let's see. So what's up guys, after the whole of yesterday while I was trying to wait for the trade in order to see if the market is going to get to that place where we're expecting the market to get to, then from there we'll start holding this trade to that place that is going to eat our take profit, and we'll make about 200 and something plus on the lowest loss size guys. So after waiting throughout yesterday, I couldn't get an entry in the market, so I had to wait for the market to get back to that point, whereby from that point we're going to hold our trade to that place that we're going to eat our take profit. So let's go back to the chart so that I can explain these things for you in such a way that you understand these things. So right now the market just got to that place that we're expecting the market to get to, and we are kind of expecting that the market shouldn't break it, but right now the market has broken it a little bit. But let's see if the market is going to take the overall move away, which is this place. If the market doesn't break this open bar away, it's still going to work for us. So let's see what's going to happen at last. Let's see if the market is going to take that away also. But for now, let's see how the next candle is going to be like. If the next candle goes bullish for us, then we're going to enter this trade. But if the next candle goes bearish again and breaks this other zone, then we're not going to enter this trade in the market. So let's see what the result is going to be like right now. So currently I'm on the trade right now. I even forgot to open my screen recorder when I entered the positions in the market. So this is what's happening right now. I placed my stop loss at break even already. That's, I'm not going to lose anything on this trade. The market just have to do its things. Either the market goes well or the market comes back and hit my stop loss, then I just close my trade in little profit. But looking at what we saw before we entered this market, the movement have never started itself, so we have nothing to panic. All we just pray for now is our stop loss not to get hit, in order for us not to close at break even. Because where I'm expecting the market to even get to is this point. You can see this point around this place, this 269197.87. That's what I'm expecting the market to get to. Then we'll close our profit. So this is a very good swing trade, and I'll be taking it for as long as possible in order for me to get the bag from the market. So let's see what's gonna happen on this chart. So let's see what's gonna happen in the market. We're expecting a kind of retest around this place, or probably we have another retest around this place. But within this place to the downside is where I'm expecting the market to get to and get a good retest. Then from there we'll keep buying again in the market. So that's what I'm expecting right now. Let's see what's gonna happen on this chart. So something happened in the market that I have to on my camera ASAP and correct it before we get into the third day. You see that place whereby we expected the market to get back to? That place was a little bit wrong. So we have to drag our expectation to another side in the market, and this side is where I'm going to enter the trade tomorrow. So right now I'm just looking at the market to see what the market has to do. So far so good. We have been in profit and we are still going to be in the profit until this whole challenge is over guys. That's my belief about this market. Yeah, so this morning I saw another opportunity to bring the market back to this level again, which is the 237255. Come on, my table is about to eat guys. So seeing this opportunity and knowing that this opportunity is going to get to that side, knowing that the market is going to get to that point, I had to also use the opportunity and make more money for myself. So that's how the market was guys. So I'm kind of expecting the market to get back to this place right now, and from this little movement I've made some kind of figures in the market also. Let me show you the profit I've been making so far. Let me just show you. So this is what we're up to right now. We are up 500 and something already. Let's see what's gonna happen at the end of the day. Let's see guys. You can see that the market is very close to our take profit already. Let's just close our sales. The more I make more money or losses, whatever the result be in the market, I'll keep you guys updated. So let's see what's gonna happen at the end of this, man. Let's see if the market is gonna get back to this point where we predicted, which is our 269197. So let's see what's gonna happen there. What's up guys, today is the fourth day, and today we want to see if the market is still going in accordance to our direction. If the market is still buying based on the way we have predicted before, we want to check this out right now in the market and see what has happened in the market guys. So let's get into the market. Let's do this. So what's up guys, today is the fourth day and this is what I'm seeing in the market. As you can see, our entries are already locked up. The first one is locked up and the second one is already locked up also. So right now I'm seeing that the market is kind of having some consolidations, which is just more like a reversal to this other point. If I want to get another entry, this is another good point for me, but no, I'm not entering at this point again. I'm okay with the entries I had already. I'm okay with the ones I'm seeing right now. So I'm expecting the market to just get back to this part around this side, although I'm not going to take an entry around that place due to my own personal reasons. So I'm expecting the market to get back to this side highest, then from there the market will keep going to the upside again. We have entered the best place I can see in the market already, and I don't see any reason why the market should break into these places that we have already. So let's see what's gonna happen at last. Our positions are locked up already. Last we just take little profits from the market. That's what's gonna happen last. But the market is still expected to go to the upside. So I have nothing to panic, man. We are up 1,000 plus already on this. Let me just make my screen vertical already so you can know how much we are running on the chart already. So right now we're up 1,200 on the buying side. Before we add two buys, we should took some sales in the market that added up to our balance also. But right now we have the two buys and we have other buys in the market, guys. We had to add more positions and even use better lot sizes in the market because we saw the other opportunity which we took. And guess what? Everything is locked up, so we have nothing to lose. If the market goes where, we get to make more money. But if the market doesn't go where, no problem. We are fine. So in accordance to what is happening right now in the market might take more time in order to consolidate more in the market, or probably start going up after that place that we just predicted right now. But we have to kind of pause this video at this point because somehow we haven't been posting video for some time now, and we have to be consistent with our YouTube videos also in order to keep everybody updated, because you guys are waiting for me to kind of pause this video and I have to keep you guys updated on these videos. So let's stop at this point, then after some days with what the market is doing, we get to round up the video. So that's all for now. Peace and love. Don't forget to subscribe in order to know what happened at the end of this video, guys.